Next on the list to blacken things out, and this is just easy stuff. You get to see one of my projects, which is going to be repainting the roof of the cab, but is replacing the third brake light. So this is what I've ordered. This guy right here, got him off Amazon. Wasn't too much money. Had good reviews. This couple gasket foam material, the assembly itself, gasket for the screws, set that there, and then the light itself, which I'm not gonna take the plastic off of it just yet. But it's got the red light, and then it's got a bed light in it as well. So in order to get this light off, we're looking at, got a bee trying to get me here, 2 Phillips head screws. We're going to get those off and get into this. Let's get started. Oh, that's a long screw. Should have brought my cordless and done this. At least for the getting in out part. Well, the good thing is they're both the same size. You get a little worried when they're not. All right, so you can see here you got 3 different wires, 1 for the brake light itself, and then 2 for the bed light. These are probably brittle as all get out. Oh yeah. Broke right out the gate. Don't you love it? This guy here looks like he's actually burnt. Wow. Look at that. I'm liking the look of that. Fairly straightforward. Alright, so I've got this gasket that came with it. These screw holes definitely don't line up, so I'm not sure what these are here. I'm sure they make this for, you know, a couple different vehicle options. But this is a sticky back here. I'm just going to get peeled off. That'd be interesting. Sticking everything. I wouldn't put it like mash it down yet till you get everything where you want it or you think it needs to be. And I'm just kind of following the opening itself. Try not to stretch it too much. Like that. That there. Then plug everything in. I think I'm going to have an issue with some of this wiring. Just got a sneaky suspicion this isn't going to be just as cut and dry as just plugging it in and walking away. I'm probably gonna go to the hardware store and get some black screws, or I might just get some stainless steel ones. And you know what I forgot to do? I got ahead of myself again. got the little gaskets for the screws themselves. Don't forget those, unless you want water down in your cab, or you know, getting down. Yeah, that would actually get down in your cab. Enough of it got through. It would be kind of nice if they sent you like black screws. What you're doing would add a nice touch. I might just leave these two. I don't know. Come back with a little dab of some black paint. So listen, I'm going to wrap this part of the video up. That's pretty much done. This is an easy install, nothing to it. Don't crank this down too hard. Just look for it to seat on the little foam gasket underneath. That's really all you're looking for. You got that and you're good. So just snug it down. You know, and it is plastic. It will crack. But yeah, other than that, cosmetically it looks good. We'll verify functionality here in a little bit. But that's all I'm grasping for at the moment. Capturing is the look. Looks good. We'll get some photos here to put in just so you can see from different angles. All right, there you go. You got any questions or comments on anything done here? Again, this is super easy install, not complicated. And leave those down below. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching the video.